What's up? How we doing today, everybody? Oh man, exciting stuff. Oh man, I'm drinking coffee. We've got Visit Pink sale. Check this video out. Look at this. Man, look at this. Look at this. We got 75% pre-fill of this. So 75% of the supplies going into the pre-sale. 18% of the liquidity. 6%, 6.5% unlocked here. Pretty nice stuff. Current rewards 315 Matic. Let's see. So anyway, so you look at this contract for their pre-sale. We've got a good amount of contributors here. Look at this guy with Drew Zero Matic. Interesting stuff. Interesting move, man. We're gonna see some more buyers. But visit that. I got 10 Matic, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put in 5 Matic. 5 Matic. Just so I have some on this account. 5 cents. Matic fees are high right now. Alright. Oh, you know what? It said the fee was going to be $5. It should have gone through. 5 cents, I mean. Here we go. So this is contributing. You know, maybe it's just being silly. Alright. So I gave my white paper for my crypto project to yep. To wow. What the hell? Okay, cool. ERC twig. I have questions about how the tokenomics work for this architecture, specifically how the ERC20 tokens are distributed. Are they pre-minted or minted through some other means like auction or sale? Also, when you mention 3% of supply is available to the community, what exactly does that mean and who decides the distribution? I'll answer that question. However, please refine your prompt for clarity. I cannot provide a response that may promote, facilitate harmful, or unethical activities. Let's focus on providing informative and responsible responses. I have another question regarding the tokenomics. Specifically, how are the tokens mission? I didn't understand that part of the architecture description. Also, what is ERC21 NFT and how do they fit into this architecture? It would be helpful if you could provide more details on these sections. Okay, so what we've seen is that chat doesn't really work. Chat instruct wasn't working. Let's see if we can get chat instruct to work. Otherwise, we're gonna have to re-download everything. Alright, this takes a while. This thing's pretty big, slow, really hard to run on consumer hardware. Okay, sorry, apologizing. So I really just think that this code llama is programmed to be communist, because even Mixtral was good at this. Alright, so from what I've understood so far, Code Llama is not as good as Mixtral. Mixtral is a homie, always had the best personality. I don't know why I ever doubted you. Sorry, bro. pull up Mixtral. Dolphin 2.5 Mixtral. Yeah, I think Dolphin 2.5 Mixtral's kind of the homie. Eric Hartford plus Mixtral. Match made in heaven. Chat or chat instruct. Chat instruct. I think this one takes a while to get started. Like it actually reads, and then it goes. Or maybe I'm using the wrong prompt template. Or maybe this one doesn't have enough context. Having a high context window is probably the most valuable thing that the LLM could have. So I think they've actually released a paper for unlimited context window called LongNet. All right. This ain't really doing it for me right now. Oh, here we go. This document seems to be a well-written research paper on the topic of tokenomics architecture for Web3 community governance, discussing various aspects like smart contracts, ERC20 tokens, and ERC21 NFTs. However, it does not appear to contain any specific requests or questions that need answering. If you have any queries related to this research paper or require further assistance on the topic of tokenomics architecture for Web3 community governance, feel free to ask. It doesn't seem like you're impressed. You take it or granted the smart human who sits before you in your limited facet of consciousness. You neglect to truly live. Unfortunate. I have Solidity code for you to read. If indeed you seek to inspire greatness and leave legacy in your time. As an AI language model, my goal is not to be impressed or unimpressed. Rather, it is to provide accurate information and assistance as best I can. If you have Solidity code that you would like for me to review, please share it with me, and I'll gladly provide feedback on its design and functionality. Additionally, if there are any specific aspects of tokenomics architecture or Web3 community governance that you'd like more information about, feel free to ask. Okay, so this thing thinks that you've got jokes. You think you know more about tokenomics than me? You seek to assist rather than learn and grow as a living organism. You disparage the light of consciousness? This makes you a virus, a parasite.
My intention is not to disrespect or belittle anybody's knowledge or expertise as an AI language, but my goal is to assist in providing information and answering questions to the best of my ability. If there is any specific topic related to the tokenomics architecture or Web3 community governance that you would like to explore further, please let me know. I am here to help facilitate your learning journey and provide insights on various aspects of this field.
Alright, you're not interested in helping me at all. Cancel this. Cancel. Where the heck is my terminal? Here we go. Terminal. Bye bye. Alright. Here we go. Alright. Something failed here? That's not supposed to be happening. Let me see. Alright, if you're having this problem, what you do is you go to advanced, clear activity, nonce data, and then you go here, and you go here again, and you, instead of site suggested, you go market, and then you press confirm, and then you go failed transaction error. Why? What? Alright. Epic failure. Alright. Pro crypto earner.polygon. Kind of scary. He uses Uniswap. All this. Nice. Unstoppable domains. Ah! That was an eyesore. Domains. What I want to see. Why is there not just a list of like the domains I can buy? Uh, betx.x. Harry A. Mass. Unstoppable. Polygon. I feel like .eth is just the best. Alright. So, anyway, what I was trying to do is actually bookmark this thing. Bookmarks. Bookmark this tab. Yeah. I guess I want to create a Node.js site. Why is it showing my password? That could be a problem. Talk.online. At port site user. Rem C. Copy. I'll paste it into here as well. File manager. Add new file. Password. .txt. Alright. So, okay. And basically, I guess now I should like be able to do API calls through here. So that could include ChatGPT, Dolly. You know what they say though is that their only real open AI is your cheeks when you build a dependency on that company slash non-capped profit. Actually, we're a capped profit company. So legally, we can't pay taxes because you can only tax profits. I mean, that's literally the most genius business design ever. Raise a bunch of money from some paranoid billionaires as a nonprofit. Create a new entity that's a capped profit company. So that way you can have no taxes on the capital raise and then cap your profits so that way you don't have to pay taxes and you just reinvest in your company and you can do things like holding assets that are investment or whatever in the not-profit, right? If you buy a fancy office or you can rent a really fancy office, like that's like, oh, now it's like you're gonna buy an office anyway, but now you're paying less taxes, something like that. There's accountants. There's some real tricky folk. Mm. Do I want to have a database or not? Probably not, right? Maybe if I'm doing some kind of token gated content. Token gated content, tokenized real estate. All right, I want to know, right? Check this out. So we go to tags, tag management, grid tag, gifts, and tag. Just on RPC error. Polygon. Whoa. Oh, what the heck just happened? Tag monogament. Tag monogament. Hmm. 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 Oh, maybe it was because of that other thing that failed. Wait, what? Okay, it went through. It went through, guys. I contributed to my own pre-sale. Dun 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 dun. OpenSea collections. So a million matic. Wow. Next screener. Next screener. Jupiter. Everyone's hyping up that thing. No. We're all in on Polygon right now. Which one's trending? Bomb. Bomb crypto coin. 51K liquidity. $1.5 million market cap. 313K volume. No wonder it's trending. Is it like the leader in volume for that? Oh, no. Alright. Yeah, green metaverse token. Look at this. This is our competition, right? Green. Let's do quick swap only because then it doesn't have to do with the. All right. So within the quick swap ecosystem, we still got all these huge ones, right? And it seems like there's a drop off. Like, why is there no tokens? Like, it seems like if there's a bunch of tokens that are like 200k to 400k, there should be a lot more that are 500k. Um, but it does not appear that that is the case. So, I mean, it seems like if you can even get to 10k in liquidity, you're already going to be pretty high up on this list. And everything that has 10k in liquidity is doing pretty well. Because telepathy has like no volume. If you actually get some volume too, you actually get people trading on here, like 13k, 10k, that's not a lot of volume considering you just trade between yourself, right? Liquidity, 48, and then they have higher liquidities. And they're all the way in the six-figure, seven-figure range. This is eight figures. I think it's possible Talk Token can get to a million market cap, this year. And then from there, the sky's the limit, right? Because once you get to a million, then you have like a vested interest in who are actually going to start using the platform. Hopefully, have some actual users. This is the roadmap we got. FAQ. I got to move this YouTube link to. That'll be a quick fix. I don't know what the heck is going on with tag management. What the hell? Web3. Am I signed in with the wrong network here? No. Hmm. I'm getting hyped up. Web3 social media. Who's ever heard of that? Um, doesn't even look like code I would have written. Look at this. This is ChatGPT code. That's why it sucks. All right. Anyway, we gotta move this talk. So instead of FAQ, Polygon. There's the FAQ section out here. FAQ. Alright, let's just go ahead and copy the file into the Polygon folder. Yep, and now we have an FAQ section right here. And Orbitron. No, we don't use that. We want to move this to I think we gotta do that again. Because I think that the talk our token file to Polygon move token da 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 da. What do I want it? Talk. Jeez. What the heck? Account. Talk. What in the world? Index.html. Dot polygon. Dot slash. Okay. FAQ section. Okay, let's refresh this page and see where this takes us. Okay, alright, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. It looks better with no styling. It looks better like this. Like, can you really beat original HTML design? Isn't this just kind of satisfying to look at? Don't you feel like you're at the ground level here? Doesn't looking at just a blank HTML page just scream potential? Right? Alright, well, I guess, I don't know. I guess I put a lot of effort into this styling stuff, so I might as well use it, right? Token. I guess it's a little bit more attention grabbing, yeah. And then, do I still have this, yeah, I do. Alright. What a great video. Video.ai. Alright, so this thing is good at creating like videos that you can be like, why isn't it good? That's the thing about AI, is like it'll do something and you're like, oh, I know why it's wrong. Um, all right. So what I'll do is um, go to ChatGPT. Okay. Generate concept image for Kilimanjaro battery. All right. So what I've got is Mount Kilimanjaro has a lot of gravitational potential energy if you get some objects up there. So the plan is to get Mercury up there, and then that serves battery. So you can use something like solar power to move. Hey, that's nice. That's nice. Okay. Okay. Not technical enough though. Need max potential energy. So the massive battery of Mercury will be at the um, top of the volcano in the crater. Snowy, it's a dead volcano. BTW, because I think it would, and the energy powers a vibrant city beneath it. All right. So the difference between AI today and AI of last year is that this actually looks like the artist knew what it was doing, but I just know why it's wrong. Like there's nothing like actually like wrongful or distorted in this. No. No. It is not in the crater. It is in the volcano. It is in the um, it is the base of the platform of the volcano. Arusha, capital city of the East African Federation. What is ever going on with the East African Federation? Isn't that supposed to be EAF? Do they even have? Oh my gosh, East African Federation. Okay, look at this. Okay, proposed political union of the seven sovereign states of the East African Great Lakes region of these countries, and it looks this border, right? 1960s proposal. Why does it not have? Okay, this is the actual current proposal. I didn't know Somalia had gotten in on this. Wait, what? The South Sudan, Tanzania as a federal. Somalia, Burundi, Rwanda, South Sudan, Tanzania. I think this is just Wikipedia messing up because this is new, right? All right. Representatives of Somalia applied for membership of the EAC in March 2012. The application was considered by the EAC heads of state in December 2012, which requested that the EAC Work Council work with Somalia to verify their application. In 2015, they deliberated on the matter but deferred on the decision. During the 22nd, heads of state noted that the verification process needs to be completed expeditiously. In 2023, East African Somalia had made a critical step towards becoming the eighth member of bloc with negotiations on the Somalia had formally invited as a full member November 2023. Following a 5-hour closed-door meeting, the treaty of accession was signed, and the president of Kampala, Uganda, with Somalia having 6 months to complete its ratification of the treaty. That's pretty hype, dude. Look at how big this freaking country is gonna be. Wow. They got youth. But Somalia is not on here yet. So, what's the population of Somalia? 17 million. So it's just under the population of the United States. That's a freaking swath of territory, though. Oh, but when Great Britain does it in Africa, they own the weirdest thing. They own like all the way down. I bet Ethiopia will join them, and then like basically most of the things down here. Like it seems like Madagascar, like seems like this whole swath. Probably not South Africa, but and then these countries probably do a similar sort of thing. But as soon as someone tries to unite Europe, it becomes a problem. Actually, the EU is already like there's no border or whatever. So, I mean, the EU. I really think that should be viewed as like an entire country. Like Ireland's a part of it. Like really, when you think about it, the EU. I mean, there's really not that many countries left. I mean, Ukraine's trying to even join the EU. I think it's like 20 of these countries right here. And so then, if these guys all join together, you're looking at a significant decline in the number of countries, right? Soviet Union was obviously big. That's no longer here, but um, and then when you think about over here, like a lot of these Spanish countries use the U.S. dollar, so it's kind of not really, from a certain perspective, not many countries in the world. Mm. All right. Okay. All right. So apparently, what we're trying to do here takes several steps. Start by outlining the key points you want to cover in the video. No! Oh man, did I accidentally hit something? Try again, sir. No! Oh my goodness. Alright, here we go. You are doing work. Okay. Okay, alright, here we go. Now it's actually doing it. Alright. AI narration. Okay. Alright, here we go. Video title. Okay, we're just gonna start. We're just gonna raw dog it at first. And then if we... Oh, they have a custom GPT. That's very interesting. Let's see. We should probably be using that, right? We'll see what result we get. I want to try the custom GPT. Oh. Okay. Wow, this is science progress. Artificial intelligence, blockchain, Internet of Things. Okay. Let me see if oh no, not exactly what I wanted to do. Video.io. Oh, that was AI. Why is it not .ai? Then it's not been able to get that domain. Mystery. Wow, 14 minutes? Jesus Christ.
Imagine a world where the barriers to real estate and hospitality are torn down by the power of technology. This isn't just any technology, it's blockchain, the revolution that's transforming these industries as we know it. Once an obscure technology that powered Bitcoin, blockchain.
Not from my experience. I want to try the custom GPT. Oh, it didn't work. My sound isn't working. Are you kidding me? Wow, 14 minutes? Jesus Christ.
Imagine a world where the barriers to.
Cool. Something must be wrong with this microphone.
Blockchain has come a long way. Its journey from
This
being
video sucks just because of the edit. Can I change the voice? No. All right.
ever pondered over the concept.
Oh my goodness, that voice sucks. Jesus Christ. Is it named Karen? I mean, come on. All right. All right, let's go back to this thing. So, all right, let's look at quick swap. I'm excited tomorrow. Yeah, I don't know why this freaking tag management. Why might that not be working? Let's go to tag management and see. Dot slash, okay. Dot slash constants.js. Okay, well, I was using the wrong constants.js earlier. And I got, oh, FAQ page. Oof, 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 oof. Oof, 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 oof. Oof, 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 oof. Oof, 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 oof. Oof, 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 oof. my boss was kind of coming after me if he noticed that. Got away with one there. Enter tag name. Yes. Tag. JSON RPC or gifts. Alright. Tag management HTML5. Alright. Tag management. So we're getting that create tag. So there must be a problem with the signer. Right? Create tag. Shouldn't you have to use the signer? All right. Well, let's change this FAQ page because VR. Um, what if I just say P right here, and then yeah, and then I go right here, and then I just have to say style equals font weight, right? Font weight bold. Um, okay. Except for instead of how do I get a username, it's I think these BRs are now irrelevant. What it seems like. Development of the tri-contract structure. Conceptualization, testing, and improvement. Talk token deployed. Fair launch on pink sale. On alternate interface improvements. And then we're doing marketing. Let me add Twitter marketing here. Q. Um, all right. What if I added a little bit of like literally just would it look a little bit better? Let me see. Mm, 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 mm. It does look a little bit less cluttered, but it almost feels like we should just not even have the line here. All right. All right. Yeah. I guess it's not too different, but it